Win din 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 din. Huddy yuddy 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 and din. Everybody talking about me to know with Shaggy. Bing 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 bing. We gotta call in everybody. Slide on bar. We total Robbie. Bang bang bang. Spare. Burning over here. What's the requirement? Burning spear come out a retirement. As I look deep in the cliff, saw the motherfucker Jimmy Cliff. Them said Bob Marley used to smoke the spliff and he sniff the shit. When, bing, 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 even bother. I'm not your brother. In my back, you're full of dagger. Remember, said that Peter to us, they did a song with Mick. Mick Jagger, don't make him my brother. Who wanna be a producer? Hana Bodoyan. Who wanna go be a producer? Bang then they gone then bing 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 boom bing 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 bing. Calling everybody. Talia Powell, Ramona Samuels, she prick like a sailor, Bonwilla. Because the man GTT long me, who the food, where the food, where the food we are bringing, run mushe, bang bang bang, where the shoes, where the shoes, where the shoes, bang 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 bang, they were not able and not capable. Marley boys have them ghetto youth label, but ghetto youth label never put no food on the ghetto youth table. Who is that over there? Who is that man over there? Who's that man on the wall? Mirror, 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 mirror on the wall. Huh. Is it I on the fucking wall? Are you making a movie? Are you making a film? You can take away my everything. But you never take away my wee Paris. See that Paris? Wee Paris. Wee wah 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 wee and den. You want to be a producer? Hmm? Take up my cowboy hat. I'm about to shoot him. Putin. How many money you pay me to go execute him? Just a bag of weed with some oil and with some seed because she's so tall. Twice Olympic gold medal. Tall and she play basketball. Bing, 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 bing. In touch her. No, I'm in touch her. With Russia. Bing, bing, bing. From Russia, the people, I give you a lover. But some of them, motherfucker, them are some fucker. I don't love any hint. Can't take some of them fucking government. Bin 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 go da da din tin tin da 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 din tin tin la da 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 din tin da 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 din tin tin do 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 din tin tin when bun 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 din 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 do do din da da da. This is some motherfucker. Alright, this motherfucker named Tim. Where's Tim? By Wednesday, I know about my American visa. I know your motherfucker can't stop me from going to America. None of you motherfuckers. You know, it's citizens who robbed me. $4.5 million. Ain't that right? I like them over there. Rush record. Paris. We love you, Paris. Yeah. I just saw there. Hi, Paris. We. Alright. Get a use label. They never put no food on the get a use table. Bang, bang, bang. I wanna know why some people ain't got no food, no clothes, no shoes, while some people are rich and full. So much money and don't know what to do. Why we make it so evil? Kill all the innocent. Last time when you're sleeping, one shot a pass through your pillow. Last time when you're sleeping, gunshot a pass through your window. Bing bing bam bam biddy bin bin ban 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 sen dun din ad di yun din. Unique, you know. But fucking Ross Records said, Mouse, if you hey, you got some racist in this motherfucking game, you know. Telling me. Mouse said they can't read. Ain't that right, George? George said I didn't rob your mouth, but I saw you couldn't read. They say you couldn't read. Maybe a smart motherfucker mouth. I invested how much? 300,000 US dollars. He and George Stark, captain for the Washington Redskins. Ain't that right, George? Let me try to find George now. Oh, George is over there. How about George Michael now? I brought him in business. Come on, George. George is up now. George Michael of the Eek-A-Mouse. What's up, George?
I'm just waking up, man. I just got off the toilet. I'm brushing my teeth.
I was telling the fucking world you're a genius, so I'm gonna hook you up later, boss, okay? George Michael, you invest a lot of money. You invest over almost 400,000. You're gonna get it back this year. You're gonna get back that fuck this year, George. George, I got all the Jamaican artists on my fucking team. I got every radio station, TV station in Jamaica working with me. I got my song named Put Food on the Get to You Table. It just debuted at number 10 in 2 fucking days. Shit going on. I own that shit. George, we're gonna have our own radio station, TV station. So, Fastly, we love you. That's George. Love you, George, later. All right. Love you, George. Yeah. Come on, George. Cut it off, man. George Michael right there. So all these kids right there? It's my friend kids, you know. Yeah. I said, Mouse, some ask me if it's my kid. Because she goes away here, you know. Well, not a pelican? No. What do I say? A flamingo? Putin? Easy, okay? It's Easter. Well, we have to get in politics. See Bob Marley right here. Huh? Huh? How you gonna promote Bob Marley? Up closer? Up closer, Bob? Up on close and personal, motherfucker. Huh? Never enjoyed fucking money. Nah. That was George a while ago. You love it, huh? Have you heard about Mount Rushmore in America? Mount Rushmore, the Sioux Indian, Dakota, South Dakota. Well, that shit going on, you know. HAARP. Well, over here we call it Northern Lights. Somewhere there in Alaska they call it some shit. So they say they got this shit going on with Chinese and Russian. Everybody working, you know. Well, if the enemy got a bomb, well, I need one. Some got 2,000. Ain't that right, Putin? He don't fuck with it. Putin won't fuck with this shit, you know. He just a motherfucker. That fuck, we don't trust nobody. That's like how the guy, Mount Rushmore, they say he was a Ku Klux Klan, you know. Time to decide. Time to decode Mount Rushmore. Kind of like right here. Okay. Eccentric or racist. Patriotism or anti-Semitism. Borglum. B-O-R-G-L-U. Mr. Borglum. Ku Klux Klan. His friends said you were. But you said, I'm not a white supremacist. Malcolm X, they do this shit. Martin Luther King, they do this shit. Al Sharpton, they do their shit. Jesse Jackson, they do their shit. Marcus Garvey, he won't take them back to Africa. So we gave him $250,000. Take them niggas out, I reckon. Then that motherfucker over there, now he see the first attorney of law. Who that? Tony Abner? Oh no. Matt Robinson? Oh no. Brad Eden now? Oh no. He's gonna need a speedy recovery now. Well, I mean the boss. They don't pay the tax for garbage, so we report the motherfucker, gave him 2 years in about Jamaica. You know, just Garwood. Marcus Garwood, the first deportee. You know that? Report me. Tim, did you get your internet book? We call it an online book or a digital book? Motherfucker. They've been printing and not printing as yet. God, the shit is not promoted yet. I want to print about 500 copies here. Oh, I would say got it. We happy. Wake up and smell the coffee. What the fuck you think I'm going to get myself involved in line? And I mean, taxman catch me. I wouldn't happy. The book there. What's up? Well, we're going to see. They're going to call. Well, we're on our way to Guam. So let me see who we're going to call Guam and ask which promoter prominent. Let me talk to them. Call over Guam and ask which promoter going to stop me. Or them fucking motherfuckers. Where the fuck am I going, mouth? Win, world, win. Manifest destiny. Bing. Around the world, promoting racism. Crazy ass culture. They want to eat up my fucking flesh like a vulture, a bigger structure. This is amazing. 6'6" and still bang 64 and a motherfucking blazing. America the police shoot him, make a mistake, tase him, graze him, underrating. Russia, Ukraine, kill him, them rape him, bad then. The U.S. cavalry, they were chasing around. Crazy horse, you know. Okay, when you ride on a horse, you ride crazy, you know. You just say, hey, Mount Rushmore, how the fuck you gonna fuck? Because that mountain is granite, you know. And they blow the granite so fucked up. Where it's supposed to be jump in the face, and they move it and then put Lincoln and say, oh, yeah, because some shit happened. And say, why the fuck you don't put Harriet Tubman name up there? And she led the unions, you know. Not to catch. The union was the cavalry, okay? The cavalry was the union, but they were riding on the horse. Oh, cavalry is shit going on from back them days, you know. I'm a historian. I'm a prophet. No, stop it, bitch. Know the story makes Eek-A-Mouse think differently. The all of records is mysteriously. All of records. What's a record, motherfucker? When, hadi, yadi, boom. You see behind them statues on Mount Rushmore? Oh, my accent? Oh, you see it now? But I can speak like I ain't a motherfucker. You see it there now, man. I want to talk to my brother Eek-A-Mouse. I want to suck his dick today. Make his dick today in my mouth. Blah. Well, I'll figure out. I'm going to let you know. Hey, Jim. Billionaire Jim Boss. We going to... Todd Elligard. Yeah. Kevin Black. Don't fuck with him, Mouse. California yet. No, he's going to call some people. I make some fucking name now. This motherfucker now. Never see that motherfucker face yet. You going to call it. Glamour Willie, Netherlands. Glamour Willie, Netherlands. Glamour Willie, Netherlands. He's sound money now. Glamour Willie, Netherlands. You know I'm going to tape him now. Glamour Willie, you're on TV now, you know.
Wagwan.
Where say? Me I give you dubs, me I try find the sound man from Benin. But him have to take care of him daughter, but you know, him I come back in the week. I need to build my studio, you know. I can build my studio, you know. So get me two.
Ready, you know?
So get me two shoot. Well. We got big shit going on, so I got a dub play for you. So where you at now? Going again?
No, yes, I'm living close to Groningen, so we're busy with the promotion of Reggae Explosion.
Bumbo Claude, tell him again. Where you got? Tell him again. Tell him about Reggae Explosion.
Reggae Explosion is on King's Day in the Netherlands. It's in a big church.
Oh, God bless you, my son. Church, ah. Where?
In Groningen.
Yeah. Well, we got some shit. Well, we got some shit broadcasting from Ukraine right now, you know.
Come again.
I'm in Ukraine right now.
Ukraine?
Not Ukraine, Ukraine.
Ukraine? What are you doing there?
Just doing some reggae.
Ukraine?
Yeah, I'm invited to go sing on the fucking front line. On the front line, he come out to sing, pan the gun line. Execute him and shoot him. You know what? Get up, Putin. Where's on him?
When you deal with Putin, you have to
What? Hey,
shooting.
what's your sound name? Your sound system?
You know Just Sound.
Just Sound. Hey, Just Sound can play. Hey, what on? Hey, Just Sound. Hey, Just Sound, let me tell you something. I'm going to give you some. Watch here. Talk. I'm going to give some old school style. I give you some dubs. We're ain't nobody. Hear them dubs here, pre-release. Song we release next month, Cause you're a big sound man, you know. And they know for the next one. Sound clash of your thing.
Yeah, we are the original juggling sound since.
Oh, juggling, no clash.
Yeah, man. We also can deal with clash, but we're not really a clash sound.
Yeah, the Arias a big sound that from France and Arias, you know.
Enough respect to the production crew.
Oh, yeah. And they start a sound system from Germany called City Lock. Remember them? They coming back.
Yeah, man. City Lock is a clash sound.
Clash sound, yeah. Yeah, that reggae trooper. So what's up? Are you off to work now?
Yes, right now we have a dance in Groningen again. Yeah, man.
When is that?
How you call it?
When is that? When is it going again?
A social center.
In Groningen?
Center for the community in a particular part of Groningen, you know.
Which date is that?
And they pay just €5 and they can come in, you know. It's nice.
What date is that? What date in Groningen?
Today.
Today?
Yeah, man, today.
And what's it? What's it called? Reggae Explosion?
From 7 till 12.
Reggae Explosion.
No, that's the 27th of April on King's Day.
Okay. So what this one called today?
This one called Reggae Valley.
Reggae Valley.
With Just Sound International.
Yeah.
Rasbas Sound.
Just Sound System.
And live on stage, Ja Prince.
Live on stage, Ja Prince. All right. Tell them again one more time. Repeat again.
All right. Tonight, in the place called Groningen, Reggae Valley, featuring Just Sound, Rasbas Sound, and live on stage, Ja Prince.
Okay. Which country is Groningen?
Holland,
Netherlands. All right, bad boy. God bless you. I love you. Hey, watch out. Well, all man, me say me I give some badass dub, but you gotta just know say well some shit because me have the whole of Europe come together, not control. Every motherfucker, Sweden, Denmark, every motherfucker coming in and record the shit. We gonna run the shit now because we're going to the Grammy. You know what I'm saying? Them show them sound system Grammy now, you know. This motherfucker. Yeah, you have a new invention called, you know, the jukeboxes. This motherfucker, he called Arias. Audience, until Arias say he got this new fucking project called Sound System Dub Plating Jukebox. And the people them can't play them on a sound class killing, but them got enough dub plate from different sound. You know what I'm saying? So that's some new shit coming in. So people watch out for that shit. Yeah. So watch out, bad boy. Just say hi to Junglist Music in Jamaica. Yeah. Road boy. God bless you, my friend.
The people from Brazil want you to come back.
Oh, Brazil. Oh, they love me. You took me to Brazil. All right, we got to talk about that. Next time we're going to have a part 2 with these motherfuckers, you know. Oh, in Brazil, there was a fucking adventure, man. How can that shit happen? The Mali boy come from me, how can that shit? Hercules Gregory and Bruno and all these motherfuckers and things. But the book, hey, you got a book yet? You get the book yet?
No, I don't know if it's a good idea to go back there.
No, my book. You got one?
Yeah, you didn't know that. You check your mailing list.
Oh, man, okay, yeah, we're going to check it out now because shit going on now. All right, so watch out. Later, God bless you, my friend.
Yeah, man, respect each and everybody who listen to Mouse, respect, yeah?
Tell him again.
Keep the thing going, Mouse.
Yeah.
Yafikwan, you know?
Yeah.
Still running things.
All right. God bless you. Bang, ding, ding.
Yeah.
All right.
Mouse, one thing.
Yeah.
You have to deal with my good friend. You have to deal with my good friend from Amsterdam, Ronnie, with the price and thing, you know?
No worry. For you, we just work for TV and little CBD and good. Money no problem because we rich already. God bless you, my friend.
Yeah, man. Right now we going to bonus play for Phil.
All right, ding. All right. Ah, people, what the fucking show is going on? Be? Ow. This motherfucker. Run off and go fuck him out. You know, you got a son over here named Famous. You got a studio going on. But motherfucking Jamaica, he was talking, you know that motherfucking nigga down there talking to Miles. I'm older than you. I'm 74 and you know I'm 64. I'm talking about the Bob Marley shit and he's going off, you know. Chris Blackwell, he gave Bob Marley key because he was right there beside Bob Marley and Bob Marley was sleeping on the kitchen floor. Well, you know that. I didn't know that, but you tell me, I tell you because I live in Trenton for 5 years or that. I mean, you may be 10 years older than me. Shit, but motherfucker, you ain't there. When I was 5, you was fucking 15, but you wasn't on the gun line, bitch. You didn't get have kids, you didn't know that. Shit, you got a motherfucker right now. Tell them kids go turn soldier and kill yourself. Oh, you left me, well, okay, go tie a fucking bomb around you. And you're on the holler, and you're going back. Motherfucker, shit. So they do all kind of shit too. The Knight Templar, they were killing Muslim too and all kind of shit. Oh, we don't want to get the politics, motherfucker. I'm praying to them, call them God's army and the King Louis VII from France, and he was there with them and that. And, but Mona Lisa, it's always there. Them time, she ain't come yet, you know. She come long time, Mona Lisa. You so like the lady with him is mine. People love the show. This motherfucker. He got some bun and cheese for me now. Blessed morning. Blessed morning. We got the biggest show. Blessed morning. Everybody coming up. We got Jazz Sound that's coming up from Holland. Oh, you gonna see bun and cheese now? Got long like she just make her Jamaican bun and cheese for the first and she give her a wow. Okay.
Can you check if I get the message? I'm waiting for somebody at 12 o'clock.
Okay.
Somebody sent me a message, so.
Let me come off now because long legs is waiting for a message at 12 o'clock. Normally we give you half an hour, but we're long legs.
No, can you see if I get them?
I don't see long legs. On the side? Well, if I don't see shit, let me go take a fucking spray. Is it?
I don't know, because I'm supposed to call her.
Okay.
Home to-
2 minutes. 1 minute we have. This is yep. Long they gonna make a call right now. So Putin, show some motherfucking love. Next time we're gonna hear if Mount Rushmore is some racist bill of shit. Sue India. We're gonna talk about the Native American them because they're rich. They say fuck. No, I don't need $106 million to go do what? They say no. We don't need to buy and sell shit. Come on, the Indian I love them, you know. So anyway, next time we're gonna come back on the shit. Bin 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 bin. Dang!